Don't wanna live as an untold story, rather go out in a blaze of glory. I can't hear you